First of all, I will tell you CAL what first stand. CAL stand basically computer assisted language learning. Now I will tell you definition of CAL. Is defined as the search for and study of application of computer in language teaching and learning. The main aim of CAL is to find ways for using computer for the purpose of teaching and learning the language. इसमें स्पेसिफिकली ये है कि CAL जो है वो यूज़ ऑफ कंप्यूटर जो है वो टेक्नोलॉजीज़ प्रमोट करेगा एजुकेशन लर्निंग पे, जैसे कि वर्ड प्रोसेसिंग, प्रेजेंटेशन पैकेजेस, गाइड रील, प्रैक्टिस, ट्यूटर, सिमुलेशंस, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग, गेम्स, मल्टीमीडिया, सिटी रूम्स, और इसके अलावा इंटरनेट एप्लीकेशंस भी हैं जैसे कि ईमेल, चैट, वर्ल्ड वाइड, www फॉर लैंग्वेज लर्निंग प्रोसेस. There are several terms associated with CAL. CAL is variously known as Computer Aided Language Learning (CALL), Computer Assisted Language Instruction (CALIN), Computer Enhanced Language Learning (CELL). जो कि इसकी दो फर्स्ट टर्म्स हैं वो रेफ़र करेंगे एप्लीकेशंस को जो कि लैंग्वेज लर्निंग और टीचिंग है, और जो कि कंप्यूटर इन्हेंस्ड लैंग्वेज है वो इम्प्लाइज करेगा CAL पे इन सेल्फ एसेस इन्वायरमेंट पे. Next we have issues in the implementation of CAL. फर्स्ट वी हैव कॉस्ट. बहुत सारे स्कूल्स ऐसे हैं जहाँ पे लैक फंड्स हैं इम्प्लीमेंटेशंस की, जिसकी वजह सॉफ्टवेयर और हार्डवेयर जो है कंप्यूटर का वो बहुत एक्सपेंसिव होता है, और ये प्रॉब्लमेटिक है स्कूल्स के कि लिमिटेड इसमें फाइंडिंग है. द डिज़ाइन ऑफ गुड CAL सॉफ्टवेयर नीड्स एक्सपेंसिव इक्विपमेंट एंड कोऑपरेटिव टीम वर्क. नॉट आर स्टूडेंट कैन एक्सेस CAL इन मेनी डेवलपिंग कंट्री. देयर इज़ प्रॉब्लम ऑफ हैव एंड हैव नॉट इंटरनेट बिटवीन द रिच एंड द पुअर. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है, कुछ कंट्रीज़ की वजूहात की वजह से और कुछ रिच और पुअर की वजह से. Next we have teacher attitudes and anxiety. ELT teacher may have negative attitudes toward CAL teacher. There is a fear that CAL might replace teachers. Many ELT teachers are anxiety about the CAL because they have limited skills and experience in CAL theory and delivery. There is a fear that the computer might isolate students from social activities. Now we have training. A lot of ELT teachers still lack training and skills in using the CAL, and training costs are high. Training learners to use computer takes students time away from other education activities. ELT teachers may lack the necessary computer. Next we have hardware compatibility and technical support. Computer hardware is difficult to install and maintain for classroom teachers. Spontaneous language production, for example speaking, is still limited by the hardware capabilities such as voice recognition and voice recording. Disk space is still problematic for storing large multimedia files. CAL are sometimes not suitable for all computers, platform and hardware, for example CD rooms. Web pages appear differently on different computer platforms. It sometimes makes students confused. For example, Windows, Microsoft. Next we have issues is software. There are many poor CAL software programs due to the lack of programmers with linguistic knowledge, language teaching approaches and experience. A lot of CAL software, for example drill and practice types, focus on teaching separate discrete language skills component, ignoring discourse, context and culture. Some CAL does not support face-to-face communication for emails, chat, for example internet. Well, though some presentation technologies can provide sounds and pictures during communication, there are some limitations with speed, sounds and picture qualities. There are a lot of web pages of poor quality. There is a lot of junk on the internet. Teachers need to evaluate internet web pages with great care before downloading or assessing the student to assess them. At present, CAL software still lacks ability of abstract reasoning and problems, for example internet web pages and many more. Next we have assessing and searching CAL. For example internet is not yet fast enough. Access to audio, video, graphic files is usually slow because of slow internet. Searching on CAL, for example internet is not always easy. It is common to get lost on the internet since it is non-linear. Access to the internet is not so easy. Sometimes the lines are busy due, so sometimes internet is more busy, so sometimes the lines are busy due. Feedback and evaluation. Feedback is still limited. It has to rely on a lot on the teacher's input. Feedback on quizzes, for example, internet, is sometimes low. These are